Today we're learning divisibility rules. Let's begin. Here are the 4 rules we'll learn today: 2, 3, 5, and 10. Let's begin with the rule for 2. Rule for 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is even. Here's our example number. Let's check the last digit. The last digit is 8, which is even. So 48 is divisible by 2. Here is another example number. Let's apply the rule again. The last digit is 7, which is not even. So 57 is not divisible by 2. Rule for 5. A number is divisible by 5 if it ends in 0 or 5. Here's our example number. Let's check the last digit. The last digit is 5, so it fits the rule. So 135 is divisible by 5. Here is another example number. Let's check the last digit. The last digit is 2, so it does not follow the rule. So 142 is not divisible by 5. Rule for 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Here's our example number. Let's check the digits. The sum is 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6, which is divisible by 3. So 123 is divisible by 3. Here is another example number. Let's check the digits. The sum is 1 plus 2 plus 4 equals 7, which is not divisible by 3. So 124 is not divisible by 3. Rule for 10. A number is divisible by 10 if it ends with 0. Here's our example number. Let's check the last digit. The number ends with 0. So 470 is divisible by 10. Here is another example number. Let's check the last digit. The number ends with 2, not 0. So 472 is not divisible by 10. Let's quickly review all the rules we learned today. Rule 2. Last digit even. Rule 5. Ends with 0 or 5. Rule 3. Sum of digits divisible by 3. Rule 10. Ends with 0. Other numbers right pointing arrow use quick division or known multiples. Try these 2 problems and tell me your answers in the comments. Think carefully and share your answers below. Awesome work! You're getting better at math. Great job today. Tap subscribe, and see you next time.